Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about Shopee dropshipping. So right now, as you can see over here, we are at shopee.com, and if you scroll down, you can see that it has written that your preferred online shopping platform, Shopee offers a seamless, fun, and reliable shopping experience to millions of users worldwide. Choose a country or region. So as you can see over here, there are some limited amount of countries over here like Indonesia, Taiwan, Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, Brazil, Mexico, Colombia, Chile, and last one is Poland. So these are the countries where it is available right now. So people usually ask that can I trust on Shopee? So Shopee Mall products are guaranteed to be 100% authentic, as Shopee Mall shops are verified of their products. So you can easily look out for the shopping mall label to determine if a product is from a shopping mall or shopping mall seller. So you can see that once you click on the product. So before we go further, we just need to realize that obviously we will find so many products from over here from their marketplace, but we need a platform where we need to drop ship, right? So obviously it is available for limited countries, as you can see over here. So just for this tutorial sake, I'm going with this Malaysia, and if you click on it, and you can see that we are at the marketplace of Shopee. So from now on, it's very easy to do every single thing, like just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So right now you can see that I have already logged in, but to log in you need to require a phone number from the countries I have shown, like at the start. So what happens that if you enter your number over here on their website, they will call you and they will tell you some code, and you need to put in on your shopee.com. Then this will lead you over here, and obviously you can log in after that. So it's a very like complicated process that you need a number for like designated country. So obviously you can do that from like other countries other than they have shown you, like Taiwan or Malaysia. So you need to have a number. Without that, you cannot access to Shopee, unfortunately. So after that, obviously you can see that we are at Shopee, and just say like for this tutorial sake, I'm going with this one, this watch, and you can see that Shopee guarantee, and you can see the shipping timing and every single thing. There are some models over here, quantity, and if we scroll down, you will find out more details over here and more reviews accordingly. So you can see there are a lot of positive reviews over here, and there's a lot, like 5+ pages actually. So after that, what you need to realize that this let's just suppose I want this to my store, right? I want to drop ship to my store. So one of the best store out there is Shopify, right? So what you need to do, that open your Shopify, right? So this is my Shopify, and click on apps and search for Shopee. So Shopee and Shopify App Store. So it will take you like Shopify App Store, and it will search for Shopee over here. So we cannot see over here right now. So Shopee channel, click on Shopee channel, and here we are. So this is manage your e-commerce shop from a single platform. So here you can see that there are some few examples over here, that how you can connect to your Shopee platform. Obviously you need to log into your Shopee marketplace first, then you need to connect your Shopify store to your Shopee uh, page, right? After that, you can easily do Shopee drop shipping easily to your Shopify store if you have Shopify, and there are multiple more over there, but I prefer to choose like Shopify, so because it's very popular, right? So you can see these are some images. just obviously just click on add app and it will be added to your Shopify store. So after that, what you need to do that refresh this page. After that, you can see there are some option, like if you refresh this page, you will find out there will be one more option over here or here on the left side, or if you scroll down over somewhere here, it will be written as add to my list. Once you click on that, it will take you right over the like Shopify store, and you can add all the details you want related to this watch. Obviously all of this title and these images and these instructions and all the description will be there, and you can edit them out and just add the price as much you want, like above obviously. So that margin you will get as a profit. So that's how you are going to Shopify, like drop shipping through your Shopee marketplace. And obviously you need store through like obviously you need to do drop shipping, right? So you need the store also. So I was using Shopify. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. If you have any like queries, just comment down below. We would love to answer that. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.